Loose wire repair. Easy repairs you can do. Okay, you're going to go ahead and strip back the insulation and put a little solder on there. Just enough so that you can shape the wire and have great conductivity from it. You loosen the screw, and then you can just take the band off and flip the wheels down. They're just going to hang. You're going to feed the wire back through, and then you're going to have to grab a pair of pliers or a needle nose and really get that wire up under the screw and then tighten it back up. You're going to want to make sure that that is nice and tight, and then put your band back on. Make sure it matches the other three. We like to test along the way, running it a little forwards, a little backwards, making sure that everything works better, if not the same as before. So we're going to go ahead and give it another good test. Everything's tightened up. Alright, it works. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten up this one last screw that was a little loose. We just happened to notice before we put the cover back on. And then the cover goes on one direction, and it's always going to be the opposite direction that you try the first time. And there we have it. We completely replaced that one connection, and it's back to the way it worked before. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to click subscribe below.